Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to go over a TikTok organic masterclass for Shopify through an incredible business that just needs to have a case study done on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. The store that I'm talking about is called Mermaid Straw, which is a pretty interesting name for a business. And it's honestly a pretty interesting business, period. I would never really expect something like this to pop off so much. And this is exactly why sometimes you shouldn't trust your intuition, right? You should just look at the results and go from there. So, interestingly enough, what this brand does is they sell all sorts of accessories, right? Just a bunch of different accessories that you could use, like water bottles, straws, even though they're called mermaid straws. So, obviously, they sell some straws. But even hoodies, merch. But the unique thing about this brand is the mermaid theme, right? So, this sort of neon gradient theme that they have going on, these colors, this is what makes them a recognizable brand. This is something I often talk about, is how you can actually create a recognizable brand. And the way you do that is by actually creating a brand guide, thinking about the colors that you want to use and keeping that consistent across your entire business. Now, as you see, this brand is just totally popping off. If we take a look at the traffic distribution, we see that in the last month, they actually reached over 150,000 monthly visitors organically. That's very impressive. As you see, their TikTok, 2.3 million followers, and the content strategy is quite simple. All it is just these people packaging orders. This is a really great content strategy, and the reason why is obviously because it shows a ton of transparency, but also because it's replicable, right? This is something you can do over and over again and not run out of ideas. So this is exactly the type of content that if you are just starting your Shopify business, you need to keep in mind. Thinking about how you can create a sort of series, right? So for example, for me, I'm creating this series right now. I want to start showcasing a lot more TikTok organic stores because I realize that a lot of you guys don't have the budget to be running ads, even though running ads is my favorite way to grow an e-commerce business because it's a bit more passive. Still, it does cost a lot of money and a lot of skill, whereas just creating TikToks, it does take skill, but it doesn't cost any money. Now, what's really powerful about this strategy is that they're actually taking advantage of the whole organic system, which is another thing I talk about often. So what I mean by that is they're posting all of these on Instagram Reels, which is super powerful, right? So now they have 240,000 followers on Instagram Reels. They're posting them on Facebook Reels as well. So everything is being posted on both of these platforms, which is actually really easy to do. When you post on Instagram, there's a button that allows you, or a setting rather, that allows you to automatically post it on Facebook. So they probably don't even have to do any extra work here, but they've definitely set up their Facebook shop and made their Facebook page really optimized. So that's really smart. As you see, they have a ton of followers on Facebook, but they've even gone ahead and done this on YouTube. So they're doing a lot of YouTube content, posting a lot of YouTube shorts, and again, just basically reposting all the content that they're posting on TikTok. So a TikTok first strategy is super smart because, as I always mention, you can now repost that basically everywhere. So one piece of content can go viral on multiple platforms at the same time. We've never seen anything like that before in the world of digital marketing. So there's really never been a better time to start a Shopify business. By the way, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify right now and support the channel, check out the link in the description. We got a free Shopify link on there. And the more people that sign up through it, the closer I get to interviewing Toby Lutke. I know that's not exactly related. That's the Shopify CEO, but that's my goal. I want to get an interview with that guy. As you see though, there's no ads for this brand on TikTok. So they're not running any TikTok ads. They're not running any Facebook ads. All of this traffic is 100% organically, which is amazing, right? I mean, obviously when I see this, I see that as a missing opportunity, right? I think running ads is definitely smart, but it's not a necessity. And honestly, if you can just double down on what works, that's a very brilliant idea. And you may be wondering, how can you start a business like this? I mean, obviously we mentioned Shopify. Shopify makes it super easy to actually create your website and your entire business, but you still do have to source products. So I would recommend just go on Alibaba.com, start browsing. You could drop ship through AliExpress as well, but that's not necessarily the best long-term solution, but it is a good way to actually test some products out. However, on Alibaba, if you wanted to do something like they're doing, which is actually showing you packaging orders, you could order in bulk here. A lot of Alibaba suppliers have pretty low minimum order quantities. So for example, for some of these things, you can order 50 for a minimum at $3. That's like less than $200 to order 50 of these things. And then, you could use your own creativity to create a business out of that. And again, Shopify right now is literally only like $1 a month with the link in the description. And posting on TikTok is absolutely free. So it's never been more affordable to start a business. And I really hope that this case study showed you a few things that were valuable. It definitely reinforced some of my beliefs in terms of how you should approach an organic content system. But that's about it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.